Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. So the good folks at Yoler reached out to me again. Cars, man, tell you what. And they asked me if I'd be willing to check out a product for them, and I said I would. And as you may or may not have known, I did the windscreen for them, and I'll link it in the description. Excellent windscreen. I still use it too, so I just haven't been out lately. Just to full disclosure, we're still under burn ban right now, so no fires. Even though it's overcast and it rained a little bit yesterday, burn ban is still on. It's unfortunate, but you know me, I don't just get gear to not use. So, and I've also been working a ton of overtime. For those who don't know, I've been working my ass off lately. So, the combination of those two things makes it tough to get out in the woods. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be getting this out there because I love making fire, and I love cooking meals because I love to eat. So let's pop this box open, and we'll take a look at the grill and go over all the stats and everything else. So, all right, I'm gonna crack this open with my Benchmade knife, which actually just did a giveaway on this. And they actually wanted me to check out another grill for them, but I basically said, well, I'm more interested in this one because of its compactness. But, I don't always just, car camp. I like to also, trudge out in the woods and do my thing. So I kind of look for gear that I can either car camp with or pack. So, and then the other grill that they talk about, I'm gonna roll in some photographs and also link it in the description so you can take a look at it. All right, let's get this guy out. So first of all, it comes in a convenient little stuff sack, which I like. I like that they do that. It's a nice touch. And man, nice and flat and compact. I have to say, that's actually pretty nice. I like the fact that it's at that cusp of where it would be a little too big, but because the legs fold down, I mean, that is really flat. I mean, look how flat that goes. That's actually really nice. I'm actually seeing this for the first time, but I mean, I could have a pot for a drink here. I could stretch one of my bushcraft grills across either this way and still cook a pot or have a pot, which I'm going to be doing because now I'm thinking about it. That's nice, and it's not super heavy either. I think it was about 2 pounds, which is not bad. Especially because because I'm going to be putting this in fire, you don't want it melting. You don't want anything else melting on you. That's actually quite nice. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Might be a little hard to see it because of the tailgate and the fact that the bag is actually pretty nice, and it has a convenient little carry handle, so you could just hang this off of your pack if you wanted to. I'm going to probably stick it down inside the pack, and I didn't cut it this time like a moron. Yeah, that's a win. Not to mention you can use you use it as, I have a cutting board about this size, so I could set this down, cut up my food, and put this right over the fire. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I like how flat it goes too. You guys know I always have those little bushcraft grills And I like the fact that this one's a little bit bigger, so I could cook for 2-3 people easy. Depending on what I'm making, of course. You know, you could still probably put a burger, you know, I think those are wide enough to put a burger on. If not, you could always bring a bushcraft grill, but I think you could get away with it. Definitely you can put pots on here. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. It needs some fire time, but you know, as soon as the burn bans are lifted, I will get this sucker out there. I could probably even put a stove underneath here too, or maybe a couple of stoves. And the price on this is $54.99. I believe it's stainless steel. I think it's about 2 pounds, which is, you know, it doesn't really feel like it's 2 pounds. It actually feels pretty light. It might even be lighter weight than the ones I have. So yeah, I'm liking this. I like the fact that it folds up and it's not overly big. You could easily slide that down inside of a hydration pouch of a backpack if you don't use it. You don't use a bladder. So that's the initial video for the Yoler pack grill. I like it. First impression, it's a neat product. That will go nicely with my other cooking ways. And I've already thinking of some ideas to make stuff on it if I could learn how to speak. And as soon as burn bans are lifted and I'm not working so damn much overtime, I can actually get out and, you know, cook on it. So, alrighty. So as I said, the price was $54.99. You might be thinking, well, that's kind of high, Mark, but you know, you got to remember, you know, you got to pay for the steel. You got to pay someone to fabricate it and put it all together again. You know, you don't just buy the steel and then, you know, wave your magic wand and poof, you have a grill. So then all your overhead costs and you got to pay the power bill and everything else. So, but you know, I would have no problem paying that. That's a pretty nice grill. Good size, not too heavy either. I would absolutely carry that. I think the windscreen might actually be heavier than this. Doesn't feel heavy at all to me, but. And I haven't been working out, so it's not like I've been buffing up or anything. So cool. All the links will be in the description. Go check it out. I'll probably throw in a little caption of some information I might have forgotten to include. But as always, don't forget to check their website. And have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one.